Hello, guys. I just want to say I had a great day yesterday. The birthday was awesome. My birthday was really awesome yesterday. I got a lot of surprises, a lot of gifts and messages. Above all, you guys are from over here. Dropped a lot of comments. Some of you took the time to pray for me and my twin brother. I want to say I really, really appreciate all of your prayers and comments. God bless you. We staying positive. We staying in the Lord. We are sold out for the kingdom of God, and I'll keep bringing great contents, keep bringing great messages and music, to glorify God's name. And I pray that the Lord will bless you and provide all your needs. I don't know what you're going through, but keep holding on. The Lord is gonna see you through, and He will supply all your needs, and He will make way where there seems to be no way for you. Thank you for all your prayers. I am so blessed. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.